honey hole. They called us to come down here. What's going on?
Alright.
I'm gonna unload some. Yeah. What we got? Look at that. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
Cool.
How much? I mean, it's not too much. We definitely get that in the trailer. We got a couple of radiators, 3 of them.
Yeah, yeah.
3 or 4 of them.
Cool.
Yeah, we can make that work. We can get it. Nuh-uh. Oh yeah? Yeah, probably not, Paul. I'm thinking about the same thing.
Putting whip over there. No.
We have cutters in here? Huh?
Got another one here. Alright, thick wire there.
Pretty thick. Oh, it's actually thinner. It's thinner.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Get all that shit in?
Look.
Yeah. Oh, you got fucking 5 wires through it.
Yeah. Goodness, everywhere. Blessed. Magnet.
Steel hoods.
Huh?
Steel hoods.
Plastic?
No, steel hoods.
Oh yeah, good. Cool.
No, the radiator behind that.
Huh?
No, the radiator behind that.
Yep.
Small stuff in there too.
Yep. Yes, sir.
How you doing? Oh yeah, man. That's a good thing. Yeah.
Huh?
Cover's way wore out.
A muffler. Honey hole.
Steel?
Yeah. Yep, steel. Turn them rocks out of there.
Add more weight to it.
No, we ain't doing that. Yeah. Yeah. Beautifulness. Beautifulness.
That's small. That's
Huh?
small. That's small. I got that.
I get it. Heavy?
Oh, yeah.
So it's not aluminum.
No, man, it's that.
It's not aluminum. Yeah. That's a whole roll of aluminum. Hi. Look at that.
Nice.
I know. That's heavy aluminum.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder there's a rock in it. I've never seen that much in a roll. Oh, let me help you get that up there. It's a light one. In the hole. Oh yeah. Yes, it's a light load. It's a light load. I'll make up for it somehow. I just wanted to get it out of here. Got a lot of aluminum though, so in the back of my truck.
Yeah.
Did good on aluminum. Did real good on the aluminum part. Probably about the same amount. I know. Alright, let me clean up for them. Clean up. Don't forget, always leave it better than you found it. Leave it better than you found it. Beautifulness. All right, Paul. Another successful honey hole scrapping. Let's call it. Uh-oh. Watch out for the pipes.